Hi, this is Harold from A1 Driving School. Today we're doing a video on how to adjust your mirrors. Let's go and have a look. Adjusting the rear vision mirror first, but before we do that, just make sure you watch our video on how to adjust your seat. So your seat is in the right position before you adjust your mirrors. To adjust the rear vision mirror, we need to make sure we can see the top and the bottom and the left and the right of the rear window. So we hold the mirror on the sides and we adjust it so, we swivel it around so we can see the whole back window, top, bottom, left and right. To adjust the outer mirror, we need to see a little bit of our own car in the first part of the mirror. So we're going to adjust the mirror out until we can only see a little bit of our own vehicle. We adjust it a little bit more and that's perfect. And then we can adjust the mirror up and down so we have the rear door handle in the center of the mirror. So we need to go up a bit and that's perfect. So now the rear door handle is in the center of our mirror and we can still see a little bit of our own car. That's how we adjust the outer mirror, and we do the same with the left outer mirror. Thank you for watching our videos on how to adjust our mirrors.